Welcome back. Today we're diving into how to find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane using the Pythagorean theorem. Let's get started. First, let's quickly review the Pythagorean theorem. It applies to right triangles and states that the square of the length of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides, which are called the legs of the triangle. In formula form, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the legs of the triangle and c is the hypotenuse. When finding the distance between 2 points, we assume they don't share the same x or y values. Think of the line between them as the hypotenuse of a right triangle. The difference in x coordinates forms one leg, a, and the difference in y coordinates forms the other leg, b. The distance we're solving for is the hypotenuse, c. Now, let's apply this to 2 points in our example. -3, 4, and 4, -2. We'll use these points to calculate the distance between them. First, label the points on your coordinate plane. For today, we'll call them points D and E. Next, calculate the differences in the x and y coordinates. The difference in the x values is 7. This is the horizontal distance between D and E. The difference in the y values is 6. This is the vertical distance between D and E. Now, let's apply the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. For this example, we'll use 7 for a, the difference in x values, and 6 for b, the difference in y values. And remember, since addition is commutative, meaning the order of the numbers doesn't affect the sum, you can switch a and b around without changing the result. Plug in the values, 7 for a and 6 for b. 7 squared equals 49, 6 squared equals 36. So 49 plus 36 equals 85. To find the distance, take the square root of 85, which is approximately 9 and 22/100ths. So the distance between the points -3, 4, and 4, -2 is about 9 and 22/100ths units. Remember, the Pythagorean theorem is a great way to find distances between 2 points on a coordinate plane, as long as the points don't share the same x or y values. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and stay fresh.